Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a slide using Mask and Keyframe in CapCut PC. Okay, for instance, I'm just going to add two images, but you can add more. So how to use Mask? You are just going to make the clip, the second one, to overlay, so move up to using the Mask. So you're just going to add Mask, select Mask, and select the Mask option here. And for instance, I'm just going to select split and how to make slide. So make sure on the first frame and just put the position on Mask here. Select keyframe and put on the end of the frame. So swipe to out for the Mask, and you can see the keyframe add the automatically. So here we go. This is the final result. Okay, this is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.